Hi, it's me, Marcus Tate. You're watching Tate's Travel. Yep. Thanks for coming. But we're back. Just kidding you, we do have a video in store for you. It is a fun video. It's our 3 favorite hikes. Ready to get your hike on?
Ready.
Don't click off the video. Keep watching the video. Watch to the very end. Our favorite hike is at the end. These are 3 heart-pounding hikes. And the reason that I say that is because every one of them got our heart just pumping, 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 pumping. And we were just exhausted, but we had fun. We felt good. They were just inspirational hikes.
So I used to say that Utah was my favorite state, but man, this hiking here in Sedona is something else. Check out these views. I don't even know if you can see them all. They're just like all around beautiful. Alright, so to get here, we took 0.7 miles up to the Chimney Rock Trail and then got on the Templeton Trail and are walking around the outskirts of the Templeton Trail. Not sure how long this one is. There's a little bit of a breeze up here, so even though the sun's right on you, it feels alright. Just don't tell Mark I said that.
Okay, this hike is super cool. There's the back of it, you can see over there. So the trail goes all the way around Cathedral Rock, and then you can actually climb to the top of Cathedral Rock, which is what I'm going to do in just a minute or two. There's Amy.
I was like, something slid down my arm and scared the crap out of me. Did you see me jump?
No.
That was funny.
You thought it was a snake?
I didn't know what it was. I mean, it literally like slithered down the back of my arm. I thought I had it secured in my hat.
You picking up a new hobby? Photography and video?
Yeah, I'm trying. So I don't know if you can see or not, but right up in the middle above those tall trees, around that one really big rock is where Mark is right now. It looks like he's climbing up to the spirals.
Yeah. Whew. Man, I'm out of breath. I just climbed up there and I'm on my way down, but same view from up there, just a little bit higher. There she is. Whew. Yep. We're on the Chuck Wagon Trail going to the Devil's Bridge. It is a 2-mile in hike. Currently 93 degrees. We're going in at 1 o'clock in the afternoon for some reason. Because you know we are gluttons for punishment. So far, it's pretty cool.
Okay, so when All Trails says mostly flat, they're not talking about uphill flat. They're talking about flat, no rock scramble. Just want to make that note.
I hear the stupid cicadas. They're annoying. Check out this cool rag mask. So we are 0.8 of a mile into the hike. Emmy's doing the Blair Witch over there. We are taking a break under the shade tree.
When you find shade, take advantage.
That's what older people do when they hike.
Especially when you're out in the shade.
They take lots of stops. Eventually we do make it to where we're going.
That's okay. We make it.
Yep.
That's what counts. Would you rather die out here in this horrible, miserable desert heat, or die in the ocean by getting eaten by a shark?
Heat.
No. Shark. You're
Heat.
done. Shark. Done. This, it'll take a while. Oh, sorry. Didn't you watch, what was that one? What was the one cave one with the Pineapple Express guy? You know what I'm talking about?
No.
That
She's got heat stroke.
That got
What
in
do we
the
call
cave and he hurt his... Was that an animal?
No. Alright. We are 1.1 miles in, on our way to the Devil's Bridge. That means we should be halfway, according to All Trails. And Amy has lost her mind.
No, I have not.
The heat has gotten to her.
Nope.
She is seeing animals that are not there. Spiritual animals. Woo! We found a mother load of shade underneath this.
This has probably been as strenuous to me as the double O.
Double O was easy compared to this one. Hey, look! I got it. What?
I did it.
She did it. But we ain't there yet.
Almost. It's right there.
We made it. Holy shit. Man, excuse me. Oh, it's getting windy. We made it to the Devil's Bridge. And it's exhilarating, that's for sure. The only thing I can think of is really tense. Get your heart beating fast. Bridge in the middle. Okay. I'm getting out of here. Scared of heights, by the way. You didn't know.
So we made it to the Devil's Bridge. It's only 97 degrees out. I am taking a short break. There is no one here. It is incredible to have this place all to ourselves. So cool, so worth the hike.
Alright, we're making our descent down, and I got it. Don't waste any drop out here in the desert. We are eating in the van tonight. Celebrate our long 5-mile hike to, what's it called?
Devil's Bridge.
Devil's Bridge. How's that hamburger?
Oh, good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. First we
Cooked
devoured fruit.
Cooked them on the stove. A lot of grease. I got to soak up. But
First we devoured like 2 things of fruit already.
what's that?
We devoured like 2 things of fruit already.
Oh yeah, we found this grocery store called Safeway down the street.
Got some watermelon.
We got some watermelon. Had grapes, cheese cubes, and pineapples, strawberries. Oh,
So
and it's so good. So good with this hamburger tonight. Oh, we're so tired.